So why am I sharing about my dryer sheets? Well, I'm pretty impressed with them, number one. And even though this isn't about gardening, it is about using less chemicals, doing things more naturally and organically. Just like our garden, we're trying to do everything organically, and we're trying to make some changes with some of the other items and products we use in the house. Anyways, because this was so simple and so such a good do-it-yourself, I thought I got to share this with you guys. So you want to get a piece of material or an old t-shirt that is a knit cotton, works for me. It doesn't fray at the ends when you've washed it multiple times. Cut it in about 4x4 squares. I have about 24 to 26 in there in each of these jars. This is a 32-ounce jar, mason jar, and so that's about what it holds. The recipe is simple: 1 cup of vinegar and 10 drops of each essential oil. I use a combination of 2 oils. This is my favorite right here, Purification and Lemon. So that is just the fragrance I like, but you can kind of play with it and see what you like. White distilled vinegar, yes. And so 20 drops total, and that is it. You mix those together, and you're going to pour it over the top of the dryer sheets. I also make sure that the oils I'm using are 100% essential oils. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.